From that day, I told Venkateshwara, before every movie of mine is released, I will have your darshan. And my dear listeners, it happens. It happens. You understand? That is how it happens. You should have the faith. Today, Mahavibhuter Avalokatonyo Naivopapadyete Yatuttamasya. Unless you have the kataksha of the Lord, this cannot happen. Nanva bruvano dishate samaksham Yachishnave bhuryapi bhuri bhojaha Parjanyavat Swayam ikshamano dasharhakanam vrishabhas sakhame. My sakha, my, my friend. I told you right at the beginning that among the 9 types of devotion, it is Sakhya Bhakti, which is exemplified in Sudama Charitra. The Lord has friends and friends and friends in his avataras, and Sudama is that poor friend whom he turned into a millionaire, a billionaire for that matter. Nanva Bruvano Dishate Samaksham. This great Lord, who is he? Dasharhakanam Rishabha. In his community, the Dasharhas, he is the one who's got maximum wealth. Rishabhas Sakhami. Who is he? He noticed that I intended to beg from him, but I did not. Yachishnave. I wanted to ask. I didn't ask him for money. Although he noticed, he said nothing about it when I stood before him. And yet, like the rain, do you ask the rain to come? It comes. It's pouring here. You should see it to believe it. Parjanyavat swayam ikshamano. He is watching. And he saw me. I had come to ask, but I had not asked. Like the rain, he rained grace upon me. How? The Lord's ways are described by Sudama. He considers even the greatest benedictions to be insignificant, while he magnifies even a small service rendered to him by his devotee. Kinchit karoti urvapi yat swadattam suhritkritam phalgvapi bhurikari mayopanitam prutukaika mushtim pratyagrahit pritiyuto mahatma. Who is a Mahatma? He is a Mahatma who makes small things look great. You understand? That is why yesterday I said, please don't belittle anybody who gives you a small gift. Bas itna hi diya. Ivadadan kodta. Ishte kotru. How can you say that? How can you say that? Do you always evaluate by money? Isn't there something greater than wealth in the world? Isn't love something important? Is not love something very important? Bhava is not important. My dear listeners, Mayopanitam Prutukaika Mushtim. It was handful of puffed rice, plain puffed rice, if you remember. He took this and gave me all this in return. I call the Lord a very bad businessman. No? Minimum investment, maximum returns. No? How can you take one mushti of puffed rice and give so much? Bad businessman, no? Bad businessman. He doesn't know what business is. That is why he says, look at him, how much he has showered on me. And as a result, what did he want? My dear listeners, this is a lesson for us. Sometimes in life, suddenly you get more than you ever dreamed. And when it comes, how should your attitude be? The Bhagavata is teaching us. 90% of us who were middle class and you have become rich class should remember how we were middle class. I still remember my first pay packet, 330 rupees. I was so happy. That was 50 years back. 330 rupees was like a fortune. To buy one coconut a day was difficult. To buy 1 foot of jasmine was difficult. And today, thousands of rupees the ashram is spending on puja flowers. How does it happen? How should I react? I'm not telling you, I'm telling Prema. I'm telling myself. When from rags to riches you grow, how should you react? With hands folded, pray like Sudama. Tasyaiva me sauhruda sakhya maitri dasyam punat janmani janmani syat mahanubhavena gunalayena vishajyatastat purusha prasangaha. Two things are mentioned here. There are two halves of the shloka. Tasyaiva me. Let me have my connection with him, not now. Janma janmantarepi. In every birth, let me be connected to him. Sauhruda. Sauhruda is love. Sakhya is friendship. Maitri is empathy. Dasya is servitude, service. Different relationships. First, let me have his love. The same love that he has for me. He hugged me with all this dirt, with all these dirty clothes. This husband of Lakshmi hugged me. So that let me have his Saudhrada, let me have his Sakhya, let me have his Maitri, let me have be his Dasa. He says, no, all that I don't want, all that. That is too much, As he is considering himself to be Britya, 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 Brityasya, Brityeti Mam Smaralokanatha. I've told my audience, and I don't mind repeating, the Queen of England knows every employee in Buckingham Palace by name. And she is in her 90s. Please clap for her. If we have 10 servants at home, most of us go to rich people's house, and there are 10 servants. You call one Shiva, you call one Das, and you say, no, this man says, I'm not Das, he is Das. He says, no, I'm Shiva. No, this is how it happens. This woman, amazing woman called Queen Elizabeth II of England, knows everyone by name, by name. I said, an ordinary woman, after all, to us, she's just a human being. If she knows everyone by name, do you think the Lord doesn't know? I want to be your Dasa, Swami. Please remember me on your payroll. Tvadbritya Britya Paricharaka Britya Britya Brityasya Brityeti Mam Smaralokanatha. Oh Master, I am in your service. Please note, I'm there. The last servant but lasting servant. I hope you understand. I've always been your servant. Dasyam punar janmani janmani syat. In every janma, let me be. How beautifully he develops the sentiment from Sohrda to Sakhya to Maitri. No, I'm not equal. When you're a Mitra, you're an equal. He says, no, Swami, you are Swami, I'm Dasa. That is what exactly the little child Prahlada wants from Narasimha when he says, Tasmat Priya Priya Vyoga Sayoga Janma Shokagnina Sakala Yonishu Dakhyamanaha Dukkhaushadam Tadapi Dukkham Yatadhyayam Brumam Vadami Samve Dasya Yogam. I want not Raja Yoga, Raj Yoga. No. I don't want to sit on the monarch's throne. I want to be like Hanumanji at your feet. उन्हीं पाद को लेके बैठे भक्त मारुति अपने हाथ. उन्हीं पाद को लेके बैठे भक्त मारुति अपने हाथ. रघुवंश नायक बैठे रघुवंश सिंहासन पे आज. साथ विराजे जानकी और सर पे है इक्ष्वाकु ताज. साथ विराजे जानकी और सर पे है इक्ष्वाकु ताज. रघुवंश नायक बैठे हैं रघुवंश सिंहासन पे आज. When Sri Rama was crowned, what was his footstool? The hands of Maruti, the hands of Hanumanji. Dasya. Dasya Bhava is the most lovely Bhava because it totally annihilates the ego and exalts the Lord. Both these happen together. It exalts the Lord and it annihilates the ego. You are nothing, he is everything. And second part I told you, there are two parts of this shloka. Mahanubhavena gunalayena. He is full of gunas, Vishajyatastat Purusha Prasangaha. Let me always have the company of good people, Swami. Satsangatve Nisangatvam. How are we connected? Zoom, Zoom. The Zoom meeting is only a satsang. Savare se milne ka. Famous song of Vrindavan. Savare se milne ka. सत्संग ही बहाना है अरे दुनिया वाले क्या जाने ये रिश्ता पुराना है सावर से मिलने का. Why have we come here? Not you to listen to me or me to see you, both of us to see Krishna. That's important. We have come to the meeting point, in offices and lounges and airports, you have a meeting point. Meeting point is Zoom. The Zoom is only an excuse to meet the Lord. Doesn't matter if there is social distancing, doesn't matter if there is corona. We have still met and we are connected with the Lord. How are we connected? Because of you, Bhakta, and because of me. We are Bhaktas connecting each other and getting connected to the Lord. Vishajjatatat Purusha Prasangaha. Vishajjataha. We have become thoroughly attached to devotees. And this valuable association of devotees, that is what we need, my dear listeners. Always remember, there are friends and friends and friends. There are different types of friends. Social friends, your kitty party friends, socializing friends, your fashionable friends. But remember those friends who take you to a satsang. Remember those friends who take you to a Mahatma. Remember those friends who remind you of Krishna. They are your real friends because they are the friends of your soul. SOLE, SOUL, soul friends. You understand? And we always need soul friends. If we don't have soul friends, we will collapse. We will collapse. It is these soul friends. You may not meet them every day. It does not matter. You don't meet them every day, but they are with you and you are with them, heart of hearts. Vishajjatatat Purusha Prasangaha. What happened to this great man? The Lord will not give wealth to those who don't have sobriety, because if such people get wealth, they'll become heady. Bhaktaya chitra bhagavan hi sampado rajyam vibhutir na samartha samarthayatyajaha adirgha bodhaya vichakshana swayam pashyan nipatam dhaninam madodbhavam nipatam pashyan. When people become rich, something happens to them. You've seen. It is very common in the world. Suddenly some people become rich, they don't even say hello to you. Yesterday they were nothing. Today they are someone in life. And Dhaninam Madodbhavam. It causes intoxication. Rajya Lakshmi Unmadakarini. I always say people are very kind, very familiar when they are here. Delhi pahunchte hi gadbad ho jata hai. When you reach the cabinet, when you reach the top, you are not your normal self. Master, one who doesn't have spiritual insight, you will not grant him wealth. Kingly power and material assets you will not give. Because out of great, great insight, Dhaninam Madot Bhavam, it causes absolute mada, intoxication. Itham Vyavasito Buddhya. When the Bhagavata started, I think I told you, he who listens to the Katha of the Lord has a Vyavasthita Buddhi. Only then you can listen to the Bhagavatam. All of you have Vyavasthita Buddhi, a Vyavasthita Chittasya. Where does a Ashantasya Puta Sukham? The Bhagavata, the Gita, all of them tell you, you should have Vyavasthita Chitta. Vyavasthita Chitta means serene mind, a mind that is unperturbed, a mind that is unruffled. That is why when Krishna Katha is asked by Parikshit, you have the great Shukadeva saying, it is Vyavasthita Buddhi, that is Samyak Vyavasthita. You have really Control your mind. Only he who has controlled his mind can say, I want Krishna Katha. I want to be with Krishna. Itham vyavasito buddhya bhakto ativa janardane vishayan jayaya tyakshan puje natiram pataham. Again and again I tell people, it is lovely to be a householder when the husband and wife both are dharmic, both are spiritual. Please don't think that a householder's life is inferior to a sannyasin's life. The Panchama Skanda of the Bhagavata tells you a sannyasin who has no control, self-control, is far inferior to a householder who has control. That is why Yudhishthira and Draupadi are respected even by sages. Ambarisha is respected by sages. You understand, it is not the ashrama to which you belong, but your own mindset that makes a difference. Look at these two. They're living in absolute luxury. The bedstead is ivory, the walls are emerald, and the bed is like the foam of milk. Women are standing with jewelry, holding lamps on either side. In such an atmosphere, the husband and wife, both of them become detached to wealth. They are living like a lotus leaf on the surface of water. Itham vyavasito buddhya bhakto ativa janardane. So much of bhakti he has for Janardana. Vishayan jayaya tyakshan. Along with his wife, he wanted to renounce wealth. Bubhuje na atilam pataha. He was not greedy. Anybody who suddenly sees wealth acts very funny. There is a colloquial saying that if you become suddenly rich, in the middle of the house you hold an umbrella and make a fool of yourself. No? This is what happens when you lose your balance of mind. Tasya vai deva devasya harer yagnapate prabho brahmana prabhavo daivam natebhyo vidyate param. Now we are describing the glory of Shri Hari, the Lord Himself. Tasya vai deva devasya harehe yajnapate prabho. He is the master of all the sacrifices. He is the supreme ruler of the world. He accepts the saintly Brahmanas as his masters. Brahmana prabhavo daivam. That is why when Prithu Maharaja meets the Brahmanas say, thank you, sir, for all your hospitality. Prithu says it's the other way around. You eat your food, you wear your clothes, you perform your sacrifices. Whatever you leave over for us, with that we kings become rich. What a humility. That is the high position in which the great Brahmins are placed. Brahmana prabhavo daivam natebhyo vidyate param. There is nothing higher than the Brahmanas for the great one called Lord. Evam sa vipro bhagavat suhrittada drishtva swabhrutyair ajitam parajitam tathyana vegot gratitamb atmabandha bandhanam bandhana tadhamale achirataha satam gatim. It's a lovely shloka. Evam sa vipro, thus this great Brahmin, Bhagavat Suhrittada, the great friend of the Lord, Drishtva Swabhrityair Ajitam Parajitam. What a lovely word. What did he see? What did this Brahmin see? He saw the unconquered one conquered by his devotees. You understand? He saw the Lord, the unconquered. Swabhrityaihi ajitam parajitam. Ajita means one who is not conquered, the invincible, Ajita. He is parajita by his own devotees. He is bound by his devotees. This is the Damodara Bandhana. This is the Damodara Masa of Kartika. The Lord loves to be tied by the devotee. बनने को तैयार तू तो ओखल में बनूंगी बनने को तैयार तू तो ओखल में बनूंगी कृष्ण प्रेम डोर से मैं सदा बंधी रहूंगी, कृष्ण प्रेम डोर से मैं सदा बंधी रहूंगी। बोल कान्हा मुझे छोड़ के तू कहाँ जाएगा, जहाँ जाएगा मुझे वहीं पाएगा। This is how you can find the Lord. Swavrityai parajitam tadhyana vegot gratitatma bandhana tadhama lebhe achirata. Achirata means very soon. He did not want to live long in this world full of opulence. He cut off all the attachment with his constant meditation on the Lord. In a short time, he attained Krishna's abode, which is the destination of the great saints. The great saints of the world know Satam Gatim. That is how the Lord is. That is how the Lord is. He is Satam Gatim. He is the कहाँ से आए कहाँ है जाना, जिसको है खोया उसी को है पाना, मुसाफिर खाना है ये दुनिया, मुसाफिर खाना है, चाहे जितने दिन यहाँ जी लो एक दिन जाना है, मुसाफिर खाना है. He knew that and he went back to the Lord. एतत् ब्रह्मण्य देवस्य श्रुत्वा ब्रह्मण्यतां नरः लब्धभावो भगवती कर्मबन्धात् विमुच्यते. He who listens to the history of Sudama, this charitra, he will have the great bhava for the Lord and he will be released from karma bandha. He will be released from karma bandha. One word, a short note on friendship. Friendship is the anchor for the ship of life. Friendship is the lighthouse for the shipwreck of life. Friendship is the sail that moves the boat of life. Friendship is the pearl one discovers when one dives deep into life. Friendship with a purpose is no friendship at all. Friendship is its own reward. Friendship stands when all relatives part. Friendship has no expectations. Friendship makes no discrimination between rich and poor, pretty and ugly, at Krishna and Sudama. Friendship is a divine gift. Friendship saves you from suicide. Friendship drives depression away. Friendship is a strong bond in whose presence frail cunning breaks. Friendship is a gift of God to man. Friendship makes one live long and well. It adds meaning to life, and a worthy friend is the best philosopher. Friendship is sacrifice personified, unobtrusive charity embodied, spontaneous booster of drooping spirit, entertainer in times of sorrow, counselor in times of stress, tranquilizer in times of bereavement, jubilant companion in celebrations. We are born with relatives, but we are born for friends. Even creatures make friends, but by instinct. We make friends by intuition. A true friend is one who hurts to heal, chides with love, bears no rancor, laughs when you shout at him, smiles when you hurt him, and comes with concern after your angry outburst. A true friend is one who trusts you completely, praises your virtues, knows your faults, and loves you in spite of that. A true friend never dissects you like a blade, but protects you like a sword. A true friend is God's watchman in your life, sent to guard, guide, and govern you with love. A true friend is an angel in disguise, a demigod humanized. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर ध्रुवानी तिर्मतिर्मम. I hope you have received the message. From the 30th of this month till 6th of December, we'll be having a Bhagavatam in English every evening, 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. The same Zoom ID. It is being sponsored by the Lotria family of Bombay. I repeat, a Bhagavatam Saptaham in English from 30th of November to 6th of December, 5:30 to 8 p.m. The same Zoom ID. All are welcome. You can spread the word. It's in English.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank
And
you,
happy
Amma. Thank you
Ekadashi.
very much.
Jai Shri Krishna Amaji, thank you so much.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Ram,
Jai Shri
Jai
Krishna
Shri
Amma,
Krishna.
thank you Amma. Jai Shri
Krishna,
Krishna.
Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Now,
Sai Ram.
neutral.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna,
Jai Shri
Amma.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Amma.
Jai
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna,
Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Amma. Thank you so much, Amma. Jai Shri